Go. Now.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа.
I've always dreamed of looking death in the face. That in my final moments, all I hear is my mother's words ringing in my ears. Maybe I have made everything worse. Much worse.